Okay, ready na ako. Huh? Oh, shoot! Wala nga siya, P. Hi, I bought something last Sunday because it's trending, so I have to. I have to. Medyo pricey siya, but girl, let's do it. Let's do it. I have to try this one because nag-trending na siya before and it's trending again, so I have to do it. This is my first Kiko Milano product, and I don't normally use matte product, but because it has a lip gloss. So, hello, let's try this. Okay, in the shade of 01 Classic Nude Whisper. I hope it works on my lips. Let's unbox it and let's try. I love this one. I love this color in the middle. And then it has a gold in it. Hello, and let's try the Kiko Milano Matte Diaries Unlimited Double Touch Limited Edition. Hala, limited edition siya, girl. Ang bango. Oh my, it smells like chocolate. Hala, ang perfect. Hala, ang perfect ng napili ko. Oh my God. Ang UA ko. Oo. Wait lang. Oh, I'm so excited. So, as you can see, wala yan. Malinis. Isa pa. Meron na siya ng konti. But so far, oh my, I need this in my life na talaga. Ang UA ko, te. Bahala kayo, pero hala, ang UA na ito. Ha? Halos wala, te. Oh. Wala nga siya. Halang galing. Oh my gosh. Ang OA ko. Ang ganda nito. So, paano to ngayon? Bibili na tayo ng marami. Okay, bye.